Hello friends, this is gonna be an exciting video because you know what? I just got access to the Canva Docs. Yes, Canva has started giving away the access for us, the users, to use and try out Canva Docs. And what exactly is Canva Docs all about? Canva claims to make document editing a more easy experience and at the same time making it more beautiful, making it a lot more beautiful experience. Yes, like we all know, Canva is a design tool. Like we all know, Canva helps you build beautiful presentations, videos, social media posts, and a lot more. Canva Docs is here to do exactly the same thing. And as Canva promises, I hope we are going to get to see a lot of new improvements, a lot of new things that we can do with a document. Yes, let us, without wasting a lot of time, see for ourselves what exactly is this Canva Docs and how exactly is it going to help us, or how exactly is it going to change our experience of editing documents. Jump onto my screen without wasting a lot of time. This is a blog from Canva where it says what Canva Docs is gonna do. It will create beautiful, rich documents. Documents are fundamental to how we communicate, and yet the way we design them hasn't evolved in years. With traditional document editors, adding rich graphical elements isn't always a seamless experience, and because they are designed with printers in mind, their formats are static. Now that's exactly what Canva is going to do. But your documents can be beautiful as well as functional to stand out and make an impression in a world that is going, or that has actually already gone visual. You need to create documents that are visually stunning, engaging, and impactful. And this is what Canva Doc is going to do. I'll read out this another paragraph. Today we are unveiling Canva Docs, a brand new document creation tool that adds a whole raft of functionality to help bring documents to life for creators, teams, and readers. Officially launching to our global community later in the year, we are thrilled to share the sneak peek presented on stage at today's Canva Create Global event. So Canva Create is going to combine everything you know and love about Canva with new features designed to maximize productivity and collaboration. Built with a modern team in mind, we have designed Canva Docs to seamlessly combine rich text, engaging media, and powerful data visualization in any document that you create. So this is a small brief of Canva Docs, and we are going to, in a short while, see for ourselves what exactly is this Canva Doc all about. Let us continue reading this out. Canva Docs also effortlessly connects with all of the other Canva products you are used to. Not only can you instantly access your content library of more than 100 million design assets, but we are also making it easier than ever to embed graphs, videos, and other rich visual elements into your work. Whether you are creating your own document or viewing and collaborating with someone on your team, Canva Docs will alleviate the way you and your team work and communicate. Okay, so this was a brief of Canva Doc, and I haven't explored Canva Doc yet, and this would be the first time that I would be going through this Canva Doc feature with you live. So this would be my first experience with Canva Doc. So this is the first page that comes when I accepted the request, accepted the invite to use Canva Doc. This is the screen. A warm welcome to Canva Docs. We are very excited to have you here. We hope you enjoy using Canva to create beautiful documents. Here are the 6 features that you're gonna love. The feature number 1 is meet the plus button. Okay, with our handy plus button, you can easily add anything to your page: checklists, graphs, charts, and more. For desktop users, this. For if you're on mobile, simply click on the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen, click on the white space below, use the plus or this to bring up the menu and select any item that you want to add to your page. Try out Magic Write. Now this is an interesting feature, I believe. Kickstart your ideas with the help of Canva's Magic Write. Magic Write uses the power of AI to follow your instructions and generate original copy from scratch. The more specific your request, the better the results. Here are a few ideas. Write a heartfelt poem about unsung heroes. Write a children's story about a rainbow and a cloud. Write a social media strategy for healthy cupcakes. It's gonna do it all for you with the help of AI. The third feature, we'll be going through each of the feature once again, but let us quickly summarize all the features that are there. Easily add a design to your Canva Doc. You can create and edit designs without leaving the page. This is super helpful if you want to include a graphic banner or some visuals in your doc like the one above. So this document is created using Canva Doc, and that's exactly what we are gonna do. Embed your Canva designs. Here is a Canva presentation we have embedded. You can double click on it to interact and click through the pages. Now try copy and pasting your own Canva link below. So okay, this is the presentation that you would see, and you can slide through the presentation, and that's how beautiful the experience is gonna be of using a Canva Doc. A bit of emoji fun. Write a word after a colon like this to search for an emoji via desktop. For example, party. Here are some other words you can try. Cool. Invite your team to collaborate. That has always been an interesting feature of Canva. Highlight this line of text. Click on the comment button that appears on the right hand side of your doc. Click to add your feedback. Tag your teammate with their name. There are no more endless email chains. Infinite fun. That is what Canva says. With Canva Docs, creativity never ends. Your page will keep going as long as you keep writing. You love the experience as much as you would love making it happy. Doc designing from the Canva team. So this is all about Canva Doc. Let's quickly jump on to seeing the features that Canva Doc gives us. Okay, so here we have a plus sign that allows us to share our design. This is about welcome to Docs to Decks. Convert the content in your document to an eye-catching presentation. So you're using the convert feature, your document gets converted into a presentation. We'll see how it does, what it does. No, I do not want it to be. Okay, let's try this out. Let's convert this into a presentation and see how it seamlessly works. Does it seamlessly work? Let's see it for ourselves. Okay, so here are the default templates that Canva has applied. So let's use this. We are very excited to have you here. I hope you enjoy seeing a warm welcome. Here are the 6 features you'd like to love. Meet the plus button. So these are all the different slides, and yeah, that's how beautifully the document has been converted into a presentation. I can't believe this, how beautifully the document got converted. So this document, this doc just got converted into a beautiful document, into a beautiful presentation. And if we see this, if I want to preview this, so this is the presentation. Here it has automatically taken every single text and beautifully presented in the presentation, which would have taken hours for us to convert a Word document or a document that you're using into a presentation. It has already done what we would have wanted to do. Okay, that's a doc converted into a presentation. This was an interesting feature. Let's look for more options. Let me go back. Look for the docs. Here we have the docs. Okay, docs to decks and the docs. So here are the templates that Canva gives us. See all the templates. Let's look into the template library that the doc has. These are the different doc template libraries. I would be using one of the templates first to see what we have, and then we will be creating one doc of ourselves. I'm choosing the strategy plan as a template. Okay, now this is the Canva doc template, and here we have beautiful tables, graphs. The data for the graph comes from here. The tables again, the checkbox features, again a beautiful way to present your document without having to know a lot of technical stuffs. So do you see this? It gets striked off when you put a checkbox and similar things. Wow. Let's try to evaluate. Okay, here we have the option. Do you see this plus option? If I click on this plus, let's see what we get to see. Now here we have the option to insert a lot of things. This is the option to use the AI tool. Do you want to try something? Let's try. I do a plus and click on the magic right. Try it out. So I want write a strategy for marketing my YouTube videos. So let's see the magic. Okay, here we have the strategy. There are a few things that you can do to market your YouTube videos and get more views. First, make sure your videos are high quality and interesting. No one wants to watch a boring video, so make sure yours are engaging and informative. Secondly, promote your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Use hashtags and post links to your videos so that people can easily find them. Finally, post your videos on forums and websites related to your niche and topic. This will help get your videos in front of a wider audience. Canva did it beautifully. Write a strategy for marketing. So I would change strategy for marketing my YouTube videos. I have a paragraph of text from Canva's AI tool. So this was one of the feature. The second feature, let's click on the plus button once again and see the options that we have. Do you see? These are the many options. Let's check it out. So these are the many options. Adding a design, adding a heading, a subheading, a body text, an embed code, a table, a checklist, a bulleted list, a numbered list, an emoji, a pie chart, a bar chart, a line chart, a timer, logos, and more. Let's now explore Look, what do we have when we select design? Okay, so here are the templates. I would want to use this particular template, and let's save it, and it gets inserted over here. Wow, now that's the design feature. You can make the changes to the template right where we imported it from. Now let's look at the second option. So magic right is done, design is done. Adding a heading, adding a subheading, adding a body is something that is understood, and we do not need to even discuss about that. Embed code. Now there is something that we want to embed. Let's say I want to embed a YouTube video link, or www.youtube.com/@ITZ7K. That's my YouTube channel that I want to embed over here. Let's see what Canva does for us. Will it embed? I'm not sure. Link provided, please check that the link is a valid embed link and try again. Okay, so we need an embed link. How do we get an embed link? I go to YouTube. I look for my channel. Oh, that's my son's channel. So let's. You click on share. I get the embed link from here. Do I? Videos. Make sure. That's the embed link, and I enter the embed link over here. Let's see if it works this time. Since I'm also trying it for the first time, I need to figure out what exactly does this do. No, this isn't working. No. Okay, let's try out this link if it works. Okay, yeah, this worked. So my YouTube video, once I use the YouTube video link, the video got embedded over here in the document. So that is how the embed link is gonna work. Table, you can add a table with the number of rows and the number of columns that you want. Something very easy to understand, self-explanatory. Checklists. So you can have checklists like this. You can have bulleted lists, you can have numbered lists, you can have emojis like these mini emojis. You can add these to the document. And what else? You can add these pie charts. A pie chart got added with the data all being coming here. What is the next thing that we can do? Line chart. You can add a timer. Now, okay. Yeah, looks good. Here we have the timer. You want to add some logos? Here you have your branded logos. That's very much. All of this, I made a very quick video, but you can understand the possibilities that you have. And this is just the first version. Imagine what Canva is gonna do in the coming 1 month with new features getting added every single day. That's how Canva improvises on whatever it launches. When Canva first launched the Canva videos, it was not as good, but as we give our feedback, as we submit our feedbacks, as the Canva team keeps working on improving the doc feature, it's gonna change how you edit Canva doc or how you have been using documents. Once we have the document ready, we have the option to convert into a presentation once again. So that's the presentation thing. We're still making improvements, so it may not work as expected, so they're still working on it. I do not want the presentation. There are different ways of sharing it. Is to share with the team. I want to download it as a document, as a PDF doc, in a A4 format, A3 format, in different formats, and I simply click on download. That's how your document gets downloaded in a beautiful. It looks like it has been graphically designed by a designer. Yeah, that's very much about the Canva doc feature. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are gonna explore it, and if you have any questions, anything that you would want to know, want to explore or want me to talk about, tell me, and I would be making sure that I include the topic in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.